Hello, everybody. Good morning. It is Tuesday, the 21st of April. I'm Teacher Mark, and this is class. Let's go. Today in math, we're going to be multiplying decimals again, and like most times, we're adding just a little bit more onto what we've already learned. This time, we're going to be multiplying two-digit decimals, which it's the same idea, but again, it just adds a little bit more of a step. So. Keeping in mind place value, which is always important when you're talking about decimals, that will be really helpful today. So that's what we're doing today in math. In language arts, I have a little video that explains a bit more about what we're doing, but we just have to write some vocabulary words like we've done before, things that we find in the story that we either don't know the word or maybe we know it a little, want to know more, just 5 words. And the reading itself it's a bit of a summary of some of the things that happened in our reading last week. Augie went to school last week, he met many people, and today what we read is sort of his reaction to it all. He's going home with his parents from school, and you get to see what he thinks when they ask him about it. So I thought it was kind of neat. In English class, we get to have a Zoom class, so we'll get to see each other today, which is great. And we're just going to share what we wrote on Monday, what we wrote yesterday, which was, if you remember, we're trying to put ourselves in Augie's shoes. He's very nervous. He did a lot of things on his first day of school that were new. And we, I think, have all been in situations where we can understand what he's feeling, where we're very nervous. So that's what our writing was, and I want to hear what you guys had to say. What were some nervous situations that you guys were in, and how did you feel afterwards? I think that's a big part of it, is sometimes our worry and what actually happens, they're not the same. Usually we worry about everything, and not all that stuff happens. So I'm interested to see what you guys have to say. And also in science class, we're going to have a little science experiment. Ooh, we're going to make a fire extinguisher. I should tell you that don't get too excited. It's not going to be like the big red ones at the school. It's a little one that puts out little fires, which I should say, because we're having a science experiment and there is a little candle involved, we should have an adult with us when we do this today. I think it'll be fun, and I think we'll learn something as well. There's a link that has the steps. There's a little video that kind of explains it. I was going to make one and do it myself, but I think the video is better than what I would have come up with, so hopefully that will explain it. If you guys have any questions or any problems or anything like that, please let me know. But really, that's all we have to do is do the experiment, and I have, there's 4 questions that we should things to think about while we're doing this. And then once we're finished with the experiment, we can write answers to those questions and then send them to the teacher. And yeah, that's all we have to do. I think it'll be fun. I'm a little sad that we don't get to do this in person together, but yeah, it should be interesting. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. So that's it for today. I just hope you guys have a great day, and I'm looking forward to seeing everybody. It's at 12:15 today for English class. So I'll see you guys later. Have a good morning.